Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora Linux server. First verify whether this is Fedora Linux server or not. More /etc os-release. See, I am on Fedora Linux server edition. To install, we must have the internet connection to the Fedora server. See, I am able to ping to Google, so I have the internet connection. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter. Click on download. Click on Linux. Then select Red Hat Rocky Alma Linux. See here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on these Linux distributions. See here we have the Fedora also. So scroll down. See the latest version of PostgreSQL is 17. So we can select from 12 to 17. Select 17, then select the platform. I'm on Fedora Linux version number 40. Select the respective Fedora version. Then these are the commands needs to be executed on Fedora Linux. So copy this command, copy it, go to the terminal or Fedora server, paste it. So see, we have successfully installed the PostgreSQL repo. Okay. Next, we have to install the PostgreSQL 17. Okay. So sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. See, if you want to install 15, replace 7 with 5. 16, replace with 6. So I want to install latest version, so give the PostgreSQL 17-server and hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Again, type Y and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17. Next, we have to initialize the database. So copy this command or simply type here sudo /user PgSQL user tab bin, then PostgreSQL setup init db. Hit enter. Then verify the status of PostgreSQL server. Sudo Ctrl L to clear screen. Sudo system ctl status PostgreSQL 17-17.service. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is not started and it is disabled. So as per the document also, we have to enable and start the PostgreSQL service. Okay, so enable the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -17 server. Hit enter. It is done. Now start the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, we have successfully enabled and started the PostgreSQL service. Okay, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. Type PSQL C. See here PSQL 17.0 is the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL version, PostgreSQL server version. So verify the PostgreSQL server version by running the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.0. Now verify the list of the users. See /du. This is the super user which doesn't have the password. So first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this super user, that is Postgres. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password for this user. See, alter role, which means it is success. We have successfully set the password for this user. Now verify the list of the databases. See, we have these 3 databases comes with installation of PostgreSQL on Fedora Linux. Okay, let us create a database. Create database R2schools. Now verify again. You can also verify the databases by running the select dat name from PG_database. See, we have these databases. Control A to clear screen. Now connect to this new database and create table. \e or connect. Both are same. Then provide the database name, which is used to switch to database. Now see here, you are now connected to database R2schools as a user Postgres. So let us create a table. See, create table is success. Let us verify list of tables. See, we have one table, that is student, and in the public schema, each type of the object is table and one is the Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Before that, verify the data. Select start from student. See, there are 0 rows. Insert some data now. Here I am giving 101 wantedly. See, as expected, we have received error. So why? Because see here snum defined as primary key. So if any column is defined with the primary key, that won't allow duplicate values. So we have to give unique values for the primary key defined columns. Now verify the data. See, we have these 3 rows. Suppose if you want to get particular column name, well, data, then give the like these column names. Here we get all column values. Now if you want to get only sname column value, just use select star from student. See, we got only the particular column value. Okay, if you want to verify the configuration file location, use the show config_file. See, this is the configuration file location. And if you want to find the HBA conf file, see, this config file contains PostgreSQL server level configuration information. And if you want to find the HBA conf file, HBA_file. See, this is okay. Now exit. To exit from PostgreSQL, you have to use the command \q. To exit from this user, you have to run this one. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Fedora Linux server. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify. See, PostgreSQL is stopped. Now try to connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres. Enter PSQL. See, we are unable to connect to PostgreSQL because PostgreSQL is not running. So start it again. We can't start Postgres server with Postgres user. Exit. Sudo. Verify again. See, PostgreSQL started 6 seconds ago. Control A to clear screen. Now we will see how to restart the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl restart Postgres. Okay, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Control L to clear screen. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora Linux server. For more PostgreSQL or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.